So I feel like I've been hit by a bus. I've had a pretty bad couple of weeks. Now, the director's here, he's over in the other corner, he's working on some stuff at the table, and if he feels like chiming in, you are welcome to do so.
Thanks.
So, yeah, I've not been well, and he has been working so hard to try to help me from not being ill that he is now exhausted. In fact, I'm so tired, and he is so tired, and you know how I am about Saturday is cleaning day. Boom, that's it, it's in the books, Saturday. Well, we have kept pushing this. Did we do one cleaning? One? In the last 2 weeks?
Okay.
And I said, if we don't clean tomorrow, I'm going to call in a service. Well, I'm not going to do that. Anyway, I'm hoping tomorrow, because it's every Saturday, and I think we've gone like 8 or 9 days and haven't cleaned, and I'm starting to get a little weird. So anyway, as maybe some of you know, I have this bone marrow cancer called multiple myeloma, and part of the thing that I get with this, I've not needed actual full-blown chemotherapy, but one of the things that does happen to me is I become extremely depleted in iron. Using the word anemia is like cheap change. It's quite serious. And so I got to this point again. I had my oncology appointment 3 weeks back, and she said, oh boy. And I had just had an infusion 8 months prior, and it had spiked really well when I had the infusion, and then within 4 months it dropped way back down again. So she said, you need to go in and have another one. And of course I have felt just terrible, awful, washed out, exhausted, all those. What?
Like you feel now.
Kind of like I feel now. In fact, he said, don't do a video. And I said, I have to do something. And in fact, this morning when I woke up, I said, I feel like a baby. Babies get up in the morning, or they're tired, and they whine. That's how I feel. I feel like a baby who's whining. I'm not getting any sleep. I'm exhausted because I'm not sleeping. I'm exhausted because I feel like, Dracula came in during the night and just sucked all my blood out. I mean,
It was delicious, by the way.
You're welcome. Puny. So I went in and had almost a 4.5 hour iron infusion. That was last week. And as they said, it could take up to 6 weeks till you really start to feel full effects of it. Well, I had that done last Tuesday. A week ago tomorrow. And I have, actually the first 2 or 3 days after that, I was really sick. I mean, like sick. In bed, kind of sick. And I'm starting to pull out of it now. And this is it. This is as good as it gets. But I did lose 4 pounds this week. Ding, ding, ding.
I found him.
Yeah, he didn't do so well. But you know what? You have done so much to take care of this home and take care of me and try to keep the cooking going. So, you know what? He gets a pass as far as I'm concerned. What is it? What did you want to say? Oh, no? He's counting.
I'm up for sainthood.
He's up for sainthood. So that's kind of where we are. And I want to, something before I forget, is that we have had such, I changed the channel name, I changed it back, and everyone has been very affirming of the title of the channel, going back to Jill for Today, and getting us back to the old format. I need a sip of water, excuse me. Getting back to the old format. And so, I had hoped to have stuff going last week, and I did, he helped me. We got a couple of Instant Pot meals done, soup and a chili, and we got those in the freezer, and he's been doing a lot of, just chicken breasts and things that he can cook. And so I've not been cooking at all, and I'm hoping that this week, what?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you were going to say something.
No, I've got the water boiling down pretty good, though.
You've done more than boil water. So hopefully, enough of my whining. Is there anything on your wavelength you'd like us to share before I say we're gone, we're out of here, we're done? Look how pale I am. I can see how pale I look. I just look like a ghost.
I just thought you were albino.
Yeah, I do. I look like a ghost. You done?
I'm done.
You got nothing?
I don't have energy.
I got nothing.
Not to have energy.
So I'm hoping maybe the end of this week or early next week, you'll start to see some more consistent videos coming out. But right now, it takes all for me to get out of bed, walk in here, have a egg, and sit down. So that's about my energy level, but it'll get better. I know it will. I'm not like, I am whining like a baby. I own that, and I apologize. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, but you're not happy about it today, but I appreciate you watching. Anything? Parting words?
No,
No?
no.
Okay. All right.
If you win the lottery, split it with us.
If you win the lottery, split it with us. I think it's fair. Okay, I'll take 20%. All right, everybody, we'll see you later. Take care, and thanks again for being so understanding. See you soon. Bye-bye.